What if I told you there are over 15 peer-reviewed clinical studies involving more than 1,000 patients that have measured, down to the centimeter, exactly what penile traction therapy delivers? Not marketing claims. Not before and after photos from anonymous users. Actual clinical data, published in medical journals, reviewed by independent researchers. That's what we're talking about today. So, let's get into it. The numbers across these studies are remarkably consistent. Men who use a penile traction device daily for 3 to 6 months gain, on average, between 1.3 and 2.3 centimeters, that's roughly half an inch to just under an inch. One of the most comprehensive looks at this data came in 2023, when Almsaoud and colleagues published a systematic review and meta-analysis in Translational Andrology and Urology. But the meta-analysis isn't the only evidence worth knowing about. In 2020, Joseph and his team ran a randomized controlled trial with 110 participants. And here's something that really stood out to me: 87% of participants said they'd repeat the therapy, and 93% would recommend it to others. Now, what about safety? Across all of the major clinical studies, no serious adverse events have been reported. None. So how does this actually work? The principle is called mechanotransduction, essentially, the cellular response to sustained mechanical force. SizeGenetics is an FDA-registered Class II medical device. Manufactured by Danomedic ApS in Denmark since 1994. If you've been researching penile traction therapy, the clinical evidence is clear: it works, it's safe, and the results, while not overnight, are real and measurable.